Hi, I'm Heather Jones and we are the Pilbara Heavy Haulage Girls, and this beautiful pink Mack Superliner behind us is one of our trucks that we use in our training program for new to the industry truck drivers. So what we're trying to do is get a lot more women into the industry. What we do is we do 160 hours with new to the industry drivers. We put them on all the jobs that we do, so it's tippers and tankers and oversized loads, a day in the pilot vehicle, and you have a senior driver sitting with you for at least one full month. As we all know, the industry is full of males, it's very male dominated, so when people see this truck heading down the highway, there's lots of conversation on the two-way. So we started Pilbara Heavy Haulage Girls in 2016 to promote and encourage more women into the industry. We make up 51% of the population, but only 2% on road. One of our really wonderful opportunities we've had is working with survivors of domestic violence. This truck then becomes not only a fantastic way of earning income, but it also gives them an empowering feeling because they're up there in this amazing truck. They have somewhere to live, they have some great income, but they also get the support of other men who actually do value women and their contribution to society. We would not be able to do what we do without the support from VGA Australia, Mack Australia, and especially NTI as well. What that in return does is we can have brand new drivers in our trucks. If you've got a young driver or a new driver, you're not covered by insurance or the excess is massive. And I'd encourage everyone to actually check with their insurer. If their insurer doesn't cover it, then maybe look to NTI because they do. They certainly cover brand new drivers. You need to be able to limit the risk. By limiting the risk, train your drivers. We're covered 100% if anything happens. The industry is not going away, the industry is growing every day. There's so many more opportunities for people to drive trucks. So we've been really happy to see the increase in women in the industry. Even if we haven't personally been able to train or have anything to do with that specific female, I get dozens and dozens of private messages of women saying, thank you for being an inspiration. Thank you for even opening up the opportunity of promoting the industry to us as an occupation, because we would have never ever thought about it.